What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it is an update on VGX Voyager token, which has pumped up 20% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just above 40 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at how long is it going to pump for. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to get past 50 cents anytime soon, or is it going to drop back down in value? So essentially going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can VGX go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the short and long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, the market is still down 5%, quite a lot guys, and Bitcoin has dropped all the way down to $28,000, which is not a good sign. But again, we do have VGX as the top gainer according to Coinbase in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, we managed to drop just about 2%. Over the last day, 20% up. It's been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction. Over the week, 17%, and over the month, just about 5%. As you can see, we've seen quite a bit of drops here back in March, and then fluctuating around 35 cents for the last three and a half weeks until right now, where it has taken a major increase in value. But the main question is, what is next for VGX and where is it going to head towards? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 280%, making it $162 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. We are going to see more people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more investors, more sellers, and in general just a lot of more people trading it, and hence why the trading volume has gone up and it's likely to go up even higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of VGX, which is here in purple at 34 cents. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in red at 39 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I would not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have? The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line was going in a bullish direction, and it has calmed down right now, so it is going in a straight line, and I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, we should see VGX at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to about 36 cents is what I'm expecting from VGX over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping as of right now. Of course, it's likely to pump up to about 42, 44, 4 cents here, somewhere in between here, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value later on this afternoon, this evening, dropping down to 36 cents towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, guys, for those of you who are here for the short-term trade, make sure your risk management is on point, as right now is a very risky time to get into Voyager token. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking quite bullish at this point. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from VGX over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid towards the end of next week, we should expect VGX to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm not expecting any major increases or major pumps or anything like that. What I'm expecting is for it to hit about 44 to 45 cents towards mid and end of next week. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, take a little bit of a step back, a drop down in value, and green days as well. But the overall outcome, as mentioned, seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, hitting about 44 to 45 cents by mid and end of next week. So now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive. Again, the blue and the orange line are both slanting towards a positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what is expected from VGX over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early to mid June 2023. We should be heading towards the $1 mark, guys. Yes, I said it, the $1 mark is just around the corner. Again, by around the corner I mean 2 to 3 months we should give it. Again, it's all about the time, and it's all about, you know, how fast we can move. Especially Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. If it's bullish, if it's pumping, we are going to see most cryptos pumping as well. However, if it's dropping in value, if it's taking a hit, we are going to see most cryptos going down in value as well. So essentially it's about how Bitcoin performs, but Voyager token should be able to hit the dollar mark over the next month and a half to 2 months if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. Again, green side doesn't mean it's going to have to consistently stay positive. Of course not. This cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. We are going to see red days, red weeks even here and there. But as long as the overall outcome seems to be moving towards a positive direction, Voyager token should be able to hit the dollar mark by mid to end of June 2023. But again, if you guys want regular updates on VGX, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting VGX to be hitting the dollar mark? Comment down below what month in 2023 will it hit the dollar mark, or is it not going to hit the dollar mark this year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And at the moment my predictions are, as I said, June, but again it could change depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and comment down below any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel. Comment them down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.